Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how I clean the computers. So I have a very dusty PC and we're gonna have to clean it and change the SSD and reformat it. So you can see here how dusty it is. It's all white from the dust. I close my window to avoid any dust going inside the house. I open the front panel so the dust will go away. Here I hold the fins of the CPU cooler so I don't break them with excessive airflow. And this is how it looks after the airflow. Now we're gonna continue inside to disassemble the CPU cooler, the GPU, and clean them more, change the thermal paste and so. I'm finding the correct tip to unscrew the CPU cooler. You have to loosen up a bit first before totally unscrewing them. And here I started cleaning the thermal paste with some dry cloths. You can see it's super dusty from all the sides. And also cleaning the cooler from the thermal paste. Now I brush away the fins to clear all the tissue that got inside. I place back the CPU and now I'm cleaning with some isopropyl alcohol to make a smooth surface to reapply the new fresh thermal paste. The same with the CPU cooler. Here I'm using tweezers to take out some dust that was stuck in the air fins. I could of course unscrew the fan and take it out, but I prefer the easy way. Now I take out the GPU. Taking aside the tower to have some more space. And the concept is the same with small or bigger graphics cards. You take out the 4 screws that holds the unit inside. You unscrew the screws sorry from the top, and you can disassemble the graphics card. You clean the processing unit inside with some dry cloth, and then again with some isopropyl alcohol. I brush away all the dust that was stuck inside. And here I'm using some contact cleaner to clean the alcohol that I pour onto the unit. Applying some thermal paste again, and now screwing it back again. Use the same force to tighten it equally on all sides, and this is important to do with the CPU as well. X marks the spot. There's no correct or wrong way to apply thermal paste, just don't overdo it. Important to keep even pressure to all sides. And here the same, I'm cleaning the RAM slots. And here I'm changing the SSD with a new one, because the customer wanted the old one as a backup. I'm screwing in the screws that are used as a bracket for this case. Connecting back the SATA, inserting the GPU, and that's that. Closing the case, and now it's time to boot with Windows 11, as it's the newest now for 2023. And we can see the lights. Please hit a like and subscribe if you like the video, so I can keep doing some more. Thank you, bye.